Oi guys, what's up yo? Welcome back to my channel, and today guys I'll show you something here and explain something because some people ask me about this thing. Why doing to do a body work, bring their vehicles to the body shop is so expensive. Here is the answer guys. This is example of body works and why is it so expensive, very expensive doing like this. So, as you can see, doing this, it's not an easy job, not really easy job. So it's very time consuming. Look at this, for example, this one, there's a big dent here and there's some rust, or even if your vehicle is not rusted out, you still spend more time, lots of time to prep this vehicle. So let's say for example this is not rusted out, you're just sanding it. But before you're going to paint it, you have to make sure everything's ready for priming and spend lots of sandpapers like this. Not only this one, this is 240 grit, and whole box of this you can buy like a cheaper one, but it's still expensive. If you have to find a good one, it's still very expensive, more expensive because it's a good, better brand. So not only that one, not only one sandpaper you're using, gonna use 80 grit, 240, 320, 600, all the Scotch Brite. See, you can see what I'm doing here. Camera, see? Right now I'm preparing this vehicle to get it primed. Before I gonna prime it, I prep everything. This is a restoration job compared to the just only like a basic repainting your vehicle. This one is a restoration job because there's so many dents there, so many rusted portion. See this one? I did already everything here. It's ready for priming. So this one, I fixed everything here. This was rusted before, and some scratches here, some dents. I fixed everything. I spent lots of fiberglass on the thing. I spent lots of cutting some metals. So the hours of making this job is really lots of hours. In this truck right now, I spend most already like 200 hours on this vehicle. Not even finished masking. Oh no! Spend like 5 rolls already here for prepping this thing, for masking everything. So you can see, show you here, because I need to mask this really good, because if I don't mask it, I can get overspray, and the inside of this vehicle is really good already. So you can get overspray from not masking it really good. So you have to make sure this doing a really good job, professional job. Mask really good. What I'm doing here, I show you. See this edges here, I mask everything, and I put a masking paper here. This masking paper is so expensive now. Oh no! You need like this. If you use like cheaper one, you can do a newspaper, but oh no, it takes a lot of time. So it's not really a professional job. So this one is the right masking paper to do this job. So putting here, putting everywhere on the edges, spend time too. Right here, as you can see, when masking this one, it takes time to mask, and you wonder, oh, that's an easy job, that's easy to mask. No, it takes time. You can see here, see, in order to mask this thing, because this one is bare metal. As you can see here, I don't want to get overspray on this glasses here. This is glass inside, right? So I need to mask it good. I like to take this glass off when it's already finished priming, and I need to take everything again, take the whole masking apart. I want really good job of this thing because I'm spending already more time. So it doesn't make sense that I need to make a rough job. So that's not the way it is. So if you spend more time, you need to make this job well done at the end. So that's what I like. So that's what I am. I like to do a good job so that I can present this truck after. This is gonna be a nice show truck after the fact. Later on, I'm happy about it. It's not about time and make money, but I like to make a good job, and I'm happy about it, doing a good job. That's what I am. I'm gonna present to somebody that I'm doing a really good job in this thing. So yeah, right here I still need to mask here, like masking everywhere. For this one here, you don't need to really mask everything here because I still need to paint that thing area, need to put some rocker guard. You need to worry about taping this thing just around here because you don't want overspray here because this thing's already undercoated around here. So right down here guys, you have to back tip this thing everywhere. You have to back tip. You don't want to get oversprayed. So basically I like most of the body I need to prime it good. I need like maybe like around 3 to 4 coats of prime this, because look at this one here. The body work is lots of body works here, fiberglass everywhere, and right here is not totally bad. The bad is the box work. This is usually the trucks here in Alberta, Canada. They're getting rotten out. So I still need to mask it here. I said already that spend 5 rolls already, and these are expensive. Before this is 4 point something. Now I think this is already like $6 to $7. And the white one, this thing, I'll show you. This is very expensive. This is better than this. The what's this? American PG, American brand. Look at that. This one is the Car Works brand, so it's more cheaper. Not cheap actually. It get expensive too. And this is what's this? 3/4, half inch. Yeah, and the 3/4 this inches is like around $14. Actually $14 for one. So one tape $14. So you can spend like maybe 5 just a roll of tape in this thing. And this one, I spent already 1 roll. Look at that. This is the only leftover for 1 roll of tape since I started this job. So as you can see here too, I still need to fix this thing. And here, show you guys. This is the one of the inexpensive masking paper that I use. Only like $45, but still. Now it's almost finished, so I need another 1 roll of this. But this one is a used one. I used this one before for like 3 vehicles already. So this is the last one, so I need to finish this one. Look at this, lots of masking. And I need to fold this one, because if you don't want to fold this thing here, you can get oversweet on it, and you don't want that. So it will gonna be a mess inside the truck. And here you need to back tip this thing here. Everything here you need to take everything apart on this rubber sealing. So you can see this job takes lots of work. Sanding 80 grit, and then you need to back sanding the 80 grit to 240 grit or 180 grit, because this is a primer only. So you still need to sand it so that the primer will stick into the surface. So yeah, like what I said, some people are, the surprise of what their body shops, coated them, but that's not, you don't need to wonder why this is expensive job, because the way make your vehicle nice after the fact, it's a lot of work, and materials are so expensive, especially the paint. Those materials are very expensive now. So you can see these materials here. You need a primer, something like this. Something like a primer. This primer here. It's falling apart already. Oh, it's falling apart. Okay guys, right here, show you. This is the primer. This is a good primer. This is very expensive primer. This is 1 can. This is $117 now. Before it was how much? Like around 80 Canadian dollars. Right now it's $117 plus tax. So, oh man, and then I'll consume about that, like this, the 1 gallon of that I'll consume this vehicle like around 1/4 of that. And then sometimes after you prime this thing, you need to sand that, right? You need to sand that really good. Block everything before you paint it. You make sure this one is sanded properly and everything is totally flat. Oh, no bumpy. And you need to feel it here. No wavy, because it will show up once you painted it. It will show the dings, tiny dings. So you have to spray it nicely with a primer. You give it 3 coats, especially here 3 coats or 4 coats, and then block it and finish it. Once you're not satisfied, you can reprime it again. I usually reprime it if I see some imperfections, so that's the way of doing it. I like to do a good job, so I'm happy about it. So that's the answer of your question, guys. If you're trying to bring your vehicles to the shop and charge you like this kind of money, very expensive, especially the materials, and the labor is expensive, and not everyone can do this job. And mostly of the people don't know what to do with it. They don't have an idea about body works. That's why they surprised and, oh, it's so expensive. But doing my own, so this is half of the price compared to the other shops. So that's it, guys. Now you have an idea why doing a body works is so expensive. So thank you very much for watching right now. Hope you really understand doing this. Hope this video will answer the question why this doing a bodywork restoration job or just painting your vehicle so expensive. Especially the paint is really expensive now. So right on, let's make this happen. I'm gonna prime this thing. Once I'm done masking this Chevrolet Silverado HD 2500, it's a very good truck, and I'll show you after. Once I'm done, there's gonna be a show truck after. So guys, stay tuned, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in the next one. See you this vehicle. I'll show it to you after, once I'm done painting this one. Thank you and God bless. See you on next video. Keep rocking. Cheers.